Alright, so this video is going to talk about how to gain access to the back end, so that way you could add properties if you wanted to, even though they synchronize automatically. You may have a fellow realtor that you want to list one of their listings on your site, which you can do. Basically, the quickest, easiest, fastest way is going to be the agent login at the top. You can use your admin login here. You don't have to use your agent login, but if you use your admin login, like I have here for me, and I log in, it will take me to the agent page, but I also have an admin bar up at the top. The black bar is the admin bar. So the quickest way to add a new local business is going to be come up here to New of the admin bar and go to Place. And this is where you'll add in the new business. So it'll be new local business. And then you'll write a short little blurb, great restaurant, has nice atmosphere, would like to eat here a lot. They offer seafood and lasagna. And then, make it 300 words or so you could. And then you'll select the category here. Right now we have nightlife, restaurants, shopping, and spas. As you sell them, we can add some more. To add a category, over here on the left-hand side, you'll see we're under places right now, and we're adding a new one. But you could come over here and do to place categories and create a new category as well. I'll run over that if you would like. We'll show you how to do a category real quick. So I'm going to stay on this page, though. We'll just call this a nightlife. So basically the address is going to be whatever the address is. I don't know any of the addresses down there, so I'm going to let it choose. I'm going to drag it to one. So it's saying 442 Hudson Street. Sounds great to me. This will be the times that they're open. So you could do Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Their phone number, 123456789. An email for the business. Their website. Twitter page if they have one. Facebook page. Video. Video's really not that hard to do. If they have a video that they'd like to share that they have on YouTube, that's about the best way. You just need the embed code of their video. So I'm going to show you a real easy way. This is the video that I made for you on your ad share space for your front end. So basically you'll come over here to the share button on any YouTube video. If you click it, this will pop up, and then you can click embed. And then when that pops up, you'll get an embed code right here. And you could also change some of the different settings, so you could start it at a different time or whatnot, but it's really not necessary. Just grab the embed code, copy it, and then head back over to your other page and paste it into that box, and that will stick that video into the web page there. So special offers, you could put like 2 for 1, well drinks, or whatever you have for that area or for whatever for that business. And then last but not least, you'll take over here, you'll have your photos. So I'll just bring up some pictures real quick, and we'll come over here. Oops, no. We'll select files, and then we'll just click this one. And you can put as many files as you need to. You can select multiple files. It doesn't matter. Just select whatever you need, upload them. And those will be the pictures that will display. Other than that, once you're finished, click Publish. This will make your listing live. Now, should you decide that this person is not paying you, or they're no longer going to be an advertiser, but they may pick back up later, you could always just unpublish them instead of deleting this listing. So you would come over here, back to your, now that this is saved, it should be in the business. We just called it a new local business. So you can come back here to Places, and you can unpublish the listing. So you'll change it from published to draft, and then update it. And then that way the information is still safe, still stored. You don't have to do data entry again, and all you got to do is just flip it right back on if they decide to pick back up with you. It's also a good thing because you can save their information, and you can maybe email them later on and say, hey, look, you advertised with us in the past. Why don't you do it again? That's great for an email list. That's it. Basically going to how to do categories. We are now in the back end. You can see the admin bar still up there, but we're actually in the admin in the back because there's another new menu over here. But we're under the places, which is what our local businesses are. And we've already added a new one. This is the list of places here. So you can see Caribbean's Jack's Restaurant and Bar, and then the one that we did as a test draft that we published and then unpublished. And then we're going to go over here to place categories. And we're going to show you how to make a category. So here is where you will add the category name. This is the slug. The slug is what you see. This right here, if you look up in the URL at the top, a slug, it looks like this. So it'd be, for, let's say, category, I'll give you an example. The name of this category we're going to call dentists. We'll do one even lawn care, because having two words with a space is a little different. So your slug will look like this: lawn care. It only contains letters, numbers, and hyphens. It cannot contain any spaces because that is what is used to make it SEO friendly. Now, if there's a parent category, you can put a parent category. Like if you've got medical, then you can have dentists, doctors, such or so forth. And if you wanted to go that extravagant, brief description for the category if you want. I haven't been doing them for the other ones. It's not really necessary, not unless you wanted to start expanding this out a lot more. Let's see. Here is where you're going to upload your category icon. This is what you see right here. So this is where you'll upload an image for that category. I would recommend doing so because it kind of fits the whole theme of your entire website. So find a good matching image. I found these were free to use for modification or for reuse. I checked the usage rights on these, so all of these were to be able to be reused. But you'll come here, you'll upload your category icon, and then after that you will just click Add New Place Category, and it will add the category in. And there we go. And you want to make sure that your images are relatively small. I used a pretty large image, but I'm going to delete that category because it's not lawn care. That's the beach. But that's it. That's how you add a new category. So those are your basically, if you don't feel comfortable doing the categories, I can take care of them for you. You just need to let me know which ones you want to put in there. That's it.